like a Sasquatch home. I mean, it looks like it's not. It's just kind of. It's like the accumulation of years of kind of like bending and things, growing and falling. Just bent over and like that looks so nice and yeah. Yeah, and then the stuff on top. See the scraggly stuff on top is alive.
Yeah.
Like oh yeah, and all these branches curling up. Like everything is alive and curling towards the top. Holy cow! And this thing in the middle. Wow! It's crazy how the middle of this is 7 feet tall in the middle. I mean, this is the kind of shit that people, like, they see this tree right here. I mean, granted it's dead, and this is dead too, but it's just funny that they're like, such pros, and then the vine, like, huge vine. This is really cool. I mean, it's nature at its best. But obviously you gotta sleep in here. Someone's gotta, there's tracks of, like, at least deer, obviously. But if I were a Coywolf clan, if I had 6, 8, 4 Coywolves, I would all sleep here. Like, and doesn't it look like it has been? Like it's a little bit matted down.
Around there.
And like, yeah. I mean, it looks a little less fluffy than a Sasquatch. Put that there, Dad. Right, they don't just den up for the night all the time. Yeah. But I like them because it makes it look like it's a door. It's okay. Wow, you really look like you're in a home right now, Mom.